Morning guys, welcome back to Shop Talk, and today we are going to install a WeBoost Drive Reach Overland signal booster in my 4Runner. The idea of this is it basically is a signal booster that you can install an antenna on your roof rack. There's an amplifier brain that mounts somewhere inside your vehicle, and then that pulls on any existing or signal that's out there, but it may be just out of reach of your cell phone inside your vehicle or device inside your vehicle. It'll pull it in and emit that signal into your vehicle so you can pick it up. So let's go and unbox it. Got your main antenna there with plenty of antenna length depending on where you want to put it. This is what sets this kit unique from past kits, is they include a wow. Okay. They include a really nice, robust folding mount. Wow. In the past, we've used other folding mounts. This one, I thought this was just going to be a knob you loosen, but it actually pulls out and there's indents in there. It's solid aluminum. Yeah, when that locks in, it's tight. That feels really good. So this is allowing us to be able to mount it up on a roof rack and not have the antenna up all the time if you're in low clearance areas. This is the actual amplifying brain, which goes inside your vehicle. It has a mounting plate that pops off, so you can bolt that to somewhere and then just pops on. Then you have your antenna out, your antenna to the inside, and your 12-volt power. So inside your vehicle or your camper, whatever, you're gonna have this guy, which is what actually emits the signal for your phone to pick up. This will be the emitter that goes inside your vehicle. This will plug into the brain, and so when the system's on, this will just transmit whatever signal it can pull in, and your phone can pick it up. It comes with a 12-volt cigarette plug with an on-off switch factory. I'm gonna look at maybe cutting this and getting the power and ground to go straight to my Switch Pro, which will require going through the firewall, but then I have my Switch Pro on-off button right there on my dash, because I really don't have a great cigarette plug location, so I'm gonna have to modify the power. All right, let's get into the install. So to start off the install, I think I want to figure out where I'm going to mount the antenna mount, and then that'll pretty much dictate where I run everything else. So I'm going to start from the outside and work my way into the vehicle. All right, so now my next plan is to basically run the cable down into the hatch along the side here. I'm going to put that brain underneath the passenger seat because I have a ham radio under the driver's seat, and then install the transmitter, run the power, and we'll be good to go. I was a little worried about drilling, but I've already drilled a bunch of holes in my hatch, so that was no big deal. So now I just need to run the wire up to underneath my passenger seat, mount the brain unit, and finish the install. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run these wires, and I'll join you guys back to when I'm underneath my passenger seat getting that all put in. All right guys, so I have my cable routed to underneath the passenger seat. Looking in here, I got plenty of room with clearance to the underside of my seat. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug in my outside antenna wire, and I put Velcro on the bottom of this brain on the bracket that it comes with. And then I'm gonna just spool this up, zip tie it, but essentially I'm just going to mount it right in here, just like that. where to mount the inside antenna. It's a transmitter that transmits the signal to your phone. Hey guys, it's been a few weeks and I made some changes to my WeBoost install, and I just wanted to share with you guys what I ended up changing. The first thing that I did is I moved the inside antenna from underneath here where I had it to up on top of this piece of trim right here. I found that with other people in the vehicle, a passenger, people in the back, it helps emit the signal a little bit better into the entire cab of the vehicle. I also ended up removing that extension piece on the outside antenna. Originally, I was gonna leave it folded down and then only fold it up when I needed to use it. And I discovered that just leaving it up with the shorter piece on actually is just a lot more convenient, and I like the function of it better. So I took off the extension piece, relocated the inside antenna, and all in all, it's been functioning just as I expected. I've been keeping signal longer, going into more remote areas. I've been able to eliminate some dead spots in normal commutes that I make. So overall, I'm very happy with it. Thanks for watching this Shop Talk, guys. We'll see you guys on the next one.